This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Hey guys, just checking a couple of things out over here. And we'll get to the charts. I'm coming in early. What time is it? 8:20. Wow. Look at you, Mikey. An hour early. Get the chat open. News out in 10 minutes. Let me open up. Oof, it's going to be a busy morning this morning. Okay, what do we got going? NQ. Change. Ugly. Fix it. Minus 249. That's from the 5 o'clock close, and yesterday was a bit of a dump too, eh? But you put it up on the chart. Does it look horrific? When will it look horrific? If we get down to 21,000. Just blends right in there. Okay, next. Gold. Up $7. That's good. Hopefully we bounce off the 100 and get back over the 50. Bitcoin down 1,700. Run was thinking maybe 112 overnight. I was also thinking we would dump, but it looks like it might be a daily wick on the daily. And I'm working on this strategy here, so let me load it on the chart and see what it looks like. Okay. New strategy builder. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, we got all kinds of interesting things going on now. We got Apex, MFFU, Take Profit Trader, and Funding Traders opened. That leaves me with Bullinox and Topstep. I think I'm all dressed. Okay, non-farm payrolls in 5 minutes, and the spread hasn't increased yet. I'm surprised. Okay, what am I doing? Blung, 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 blung. Oh, we're going to rename this one. Thank God I remembered. I of 1 is greater than. Okay, looks like we're good. Mic is on. One minute to news. Thirty seconds to news. Let's take a look at the spread. 1.25, 150. I'm surprised it's that low for non-farm payrolls. Ten seconds. 5, 4. Spreads up to 4, 5, 8, 7. I'll just read you the spreads. That's the most interesting. 30, 40 point spread for a flash there. Boy, oh boy, you don't want to be in the first few seconds. Now it's between 3 and 9 points, the spread. 1, 2, 3. So what did we do? We dumped 40 points. Nothing special. Let's go on the 1 minute. 60 points now. Gold is going up nicely. Good job, gold. What's happening with Bitcoin? Nothing. Okay, I'm back. Let me figure out how to unclick all the buttons. Sound test. Sound test seems to be working. Wow, we're still dumping. So there's your answer. What were we visiting? Revisiting. Data highs, data lows. We revisited the data lows. Okay, we do that. Don't know. Apex. Apex is 80% off. I just went to their website, so let's change that and let's take a look and see what we got. Wow, nice trade on NQ. It's too bad I missed it. I'm tracking something on the 15-minute chart. You know what? I'm wasting my time. Maybe I should just track it. Data series. What? How many days do I got? Just this one day? There's a lot of bars in one day on the 15-second chart. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, 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 doom. Yep. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Okay. Sebo. Let's turn off the 15-second chart. I don't want to be poisoned with it. Wow, gold made a nice run. Why is this all screwed up? What's the volume? Wow. Wow. 513,000 contracts. You can see volumes come back into the market. How do I know that? Because by 11 o'clock, 10:30, we only had 200,000 the last little while. Now we have 500,000. 400,000 pre-market around 9 o'clock is normal. It's nothing spectacular. Gold made the run, came down, touched the bands again. Wow, nice run on gold. Since 4 in the morning. $50 run on gold. Nice. Nice. Okay, I got a good price for a one lot. I'll keep it. I'm not really doing much now. It's early. Hopefully the markets will dump again. Let's go back over here. Let's see. This is the 1 minute, definitely. That was our data. Really? That was our data candle. Then we swept the lows, swept the highs. Ouch. Some people got squeezed on that. Oh, I don't have to take profits yet. I took my take profit too early. Should have done a 3 lot. Could have taken another piece out there. I don't even know what account. Okay, I'm trading the same account as I traded last night. Oh, it's short at 01. Fill me. There we go. Come on, don't be a 1 bar. Buy limit right there. I'll give you a target to reach for. I'll even get ready to hit the POW. Make me happy. Let's go. You can get there in 1 second. What am I bidding? 94. 15 points range on the 1 minute candles.
Pow! Right in the kisser.
There we go. 1, 2, 3. At 4, I'll buy another one. You know what? The other ones will I hold? No, I won't hold that one. There we go. Whoa, that's about 10. That's good for me. 347. I'm happy with that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Apex copier set up. The only thing I got to set up is an ATM. A 3 lot. What is 14 times 4? 40. 56. And I want it more than 56. Save as template. What are we calling it? Oh, I gotta reach. I gotta move my laptop. It is not in a good place. I'll be there in a second. Nine o'clock, crude. We got a short at 79. Where's the bid and ask over there? Okay, first trade in the books. Bullinux, I think. That was a nice one. Don't know if it was right, but we'll watch next time. Wow, we got a nice bounce there, eh? What are we bouncing off of? Let's first take a look at the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart. Oh, the 30-minute chart doesn't really show much, eh? Just shows a down bar. 169. 125. Where the hell is the 169? Are you joking me? At 8:44 on the 1 minute, we hit 166. Now go to the 30-minute. We don't. Ah, there's a wick. It's too small. Ah, the stupid wicks. That is serious. It's hiding in the box. Candle wick has to be white, not gray. And size 2. Is that enough? Let's see. Apply. Nope. 3. Apply. No better. 4. Apply. There, now we see the wicks. Okay. Workspace. Save. Oh, are we getting a bounce off the bands, or are we going to go over the bands? I don't know. That's like 1, 2, 3. It's the 4th bounce off the bands. Yes, we can go lower, but I'm not a big fan of taking the 4th trade. Maybe just for a 1 lot. Decent price. Stop should be, yeah, be about 10 points. Was I able to call this one? 10 bands. Anyways, we're 1 candle from being stopped out. You're not going to do that to me. Okay, well, we got most of our money back. Why, oh why, do I not have bands on this chart? MA envelopes. Which chart am I talking about? Well, we just got a, well, we got a couple of good bounces there. MA envelopes, we got a bounce off the top step charts. That's what I'm talking about. And copy, paste, paste, EMA, copy, paste. Let me see what the bands are over here. Is it 0.1? I think it's 0.1. This is 0.01. Holy shit. Good morning.
Cook me in here.
No, the heat's off.
I turned it off.
No, impossible. I turned it off.
On 25.
Wow, sure I turned it off. But then again, I left the gas tank open yesterday and drove away from the gas station, so. Come on, reverse lower. Don't break the bands. Might as well take a trade here and try to bring it back up. Let's go. Push it lower. Push. 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 Come on, sellers, come in. Well, that was a nice down bar. Continue with that kind of urgency. There we go. Fill it. There we go. Close. We're good. Okay, I gave back some profits, but maybe that was due to poor entry. I don't know. Adding, I have to think. I added too aggressively. That's the 30-minute. Why am I on the goddamn 30-minute? Let me just look at it again. Yeah, still, we're only taking out the, we've only taken out the Asia lows. And we're kind of stair-stepping lower on NQ. I was going to jump into a trade there, but that would have been FOMO. Where's my clicker? Thank you, I didn't. Just wait for the good trades. There's plenty of them. What's gold doing? Probably went back under the bands. Yeah, for a little bit there, eh? Nothing much. Didn't get a trade and then went back up and triggered a trade. Made a few dollars. Go back to NQ. Hard to say what NQ wants to do right here. So, oh, we're going to trade on top step at 72. I can get in at 76.50. It's 4 points better. Come on, let's get under 70s. Let's get into the 68s. Push. Where's my push? Going the wrong way.
Push. Come on, push now.
Push
Do
lower.
nice push for us. Yes.
Do a nice lower push for us.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, not yet. Not yet was nice. Let's go lower. My stop is at 86. Let me fix it. Yeah, there we go. Ouch. Be back in a second. That sucks. Oh, you want it fully closed? You want to go back upstairs? I love you, but I want to get louder. I want to put some excitement into the channel. Not death. Not the death voice. The way you talk when you're with your boys. With energy. Oh, I don't know if my mic is on. It is. I missed a good trade. Not so much that I missed a good trade. I traded poorly. Because I kinda was in it. Anyways, it was a short. Too bad for me, but there'll be more. Not crazy volatility though, eh? Only 12 points. It's not like we're in the 23-point range or anything like that. The range in 1 minute candles. Well, they're not big on filling me on the offer, eh? Unless it goes the opposite direction. Come on, reach, stretch lower. Let's get down to 50. And 42. Push. A nice sell. 58. What am I short at? 59, really? I think I got to bail. It's not going to give me my chance, huh? I'm making mistakes. I don't want to make mistakes. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Futures floor wins. High number. Very good. Let's just wait for a real good trade. Meantime, let's set up the trade copier over here. What do we want to do on these accounts? My God, we got everybody now. It's like a party here. Copier. Okay, well, let's carefully trade the PA. That's going to be the leader. We got 4, so let's do 2 Apex. One MFFU. Okay. We're set up for that. What time is it? 9:18. Going back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this. Nothing. What if I go back a little bit more? Nightbot, deal me in, really? What if I go back 13, 12, 14 days? That's 2 weeks. If we don't have any levels in the last 2 weeks, I'm not interested. No, nothing. Nothing. So the only thing is to go back up to 150. If the market wants to do a fake out to the downside and then shoot up another 400 points today, that's a possibility. I'm going to watch for that also. We're quite far from VWAP. Let's get to the 1 minute chart. Where is VWAP? At 180. Wow. And what did I say? 150. Okay. Yeah, even a little bit less. Okay. I see definite potential to get back up to the over the 100s. Let's put it that way. Unfortunately, we missed gold, but stop watching gold. I got to put up gold somewhere else so I can watch it. Why not? I should have all 3 charts up. Get rid of the 5 minute. I don't really watch it that closely. You make you smaller. Okay, that's about the size I can make it. Market's opening in 10 minutes. Again, extremely bearish right at the moment. So we don't want to piss into the wind. Try to sell pullbacks. Unless we can get over the bands. You know what? I think we'll let the open pass also. I don't have a great day in the books, but I have a decent day in the books, enough to go into the weekend happy. I do want to take a few cautious trades, but for 2 lots. That's what I'm going to do. Good morning, Skeletor. Looking at the 30-minute. 2 weeks back. I mean, we're not in blue sky territory. If I would add more, there's definitely price action to the left, but going back 2 weeks, and blue skies, we're in red sky, dark sky territory, dark ground territory. But we're in an area that there's really no support right now that I see in the last 2 weeks. But I am thinking there might just be a push up to the 100, 150 level. That's funny. I was thinking the same thing. Next week should be good. Whose turn is it to pay? I don't remember. Ah, that's too funny. Okay, I don't know what to do because everything is short. You might go long soon. Skeletor, any advice? Focus, long, short? Wow, I don't know. Oh yeah, it's true. I said I'm sticking away out of the first 2 minutes. First couple of minutes. Take my hands off the charts, off the mouse. 5.5 more minutes. 5.5 more minutes, hands off the mouse. Sit on my hands. Maybe I should close my eyes too. It'd be easier not to be tempted to want to take a trade. Oh, that's funny. 925. I don't know there'd be an imbalance report at 925, but I guess there is one. I know there's one at 928, which gives you a little bit of a jolt. So people are selling. Imbalance to the downside. Interesting. I'm curious to see if that's going to continue. I don't know. Let's wait to see the first few minutes. Yeah, but that little jolt there, that was the imbalance report. Meaning there's a sell side imbalance on the open. It's market on open imbalance. I don't know. Not a lot of people talk about it. It's like not a lot of people know about it. 925 and 928. At 928 also, you sometimes see like a little air pocket hit. It's because the imbalance report comes out. The revised one from 3 minutes ago, as the orders keep flooding in. So right there, we saw an imbalance to the downside. Let's see. I put the balls. I put the chocolate salty balls in my hand, so I don't take a trade. I gotta do something, because I'm gonna want to click the buttons. How long do I wait? 2 minutes? Yeah, 2 minutes is good enough. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Because I'm questioning it, 3 minutes. Let the dust settle for 3 minutes. My market opens at 9:33. That's fair. Okay, we'll do the same. We do the same. Are you playing with your balls? Everyone should have a pair of Futures Floor chocolate salty balls. And they're the right color, eh? I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. They are the right color. There you go. There was the 928 pop. That was to the upside. Interesting. So we have a little bit of more balance now. Yes, dark chocolate. I hate dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a crime against chocolate. Well, I can't promise I'll wait for 9:33. If we get above the bands and we retrace into the bands and we get continuation, if we get that pattern, I'm going to take it, because I think what's most likely to happen is to wick the previous low. This is my hypothesis, my thesis. We're going to wick the low that happened at 7 o'clock around. I can't really tell what time that is. Let's call it the London low, if that's how you guys use it. And then we're going to shoot higher. That's the thesis. Thesis number 2. We're just going to blast lower. I'm curious to see if I'm either right on one of them. So either way, in my opinion, we're going lower, which means people should buy. I'm always wrong. 37 seconds. All right, we got above the bands. Yeah, they're coiling the spring to take it lower. I can smell it. They're making everyone think, oh, this is going up. I better get it. We're at the bottom. This is going up. And then they're going to pull the rug. They just put that into place. That little program to buy there. Going to take out a couple internal swing highs. You still waiting? I haven't clicked yet. It's been 14 seconds. One, two, three. If I get an up bar here, though, I am going to buy a 2-lot market. There you go. It's hanging on.
Order canceled.
Stopped out. Okay. Should have waited. How much did we lose? $50. Yuck. I got one more trade on this PA. Well, I think we're going to take out the low, so. You're gonna have to take me over the bands. If you take me over the bands, you got me. That's it for this account. Wow. Serious?
Order canceled.
Okay, hit my max loss. That sucks. There's the 2-minute warning. Of course. Okay, that's it for those accounts. What am I left with? Take profit in that one. Can't do any more damage there. So we close the copier. It's a 1. Wow, you're joking me. And it's a 2. And you didn't even give me a chance to get out. Okay, 150 on take profit. Skeletor, dark chocolate salty balls. I understand my mistakes today. Wow, that was fast. I think we should be using market orders. No. Come on. Not a 3. Well, if I get into trouble with this, I'm done. And it looks like I'm finished. Ah, fuck off. The biggest sinkhole. Come on, save me. Save me. Okay, I'm saved. Let's go back to regular size. Regular size, regular trades. There's a regular trade. One more push higher. No. Now, don't do me the zigzag down. Okay. $16. I'm sure it's 15. Don't you dare be a 1. Don't you dare be a 1. Got a bad price. I would have stayed in. Apply. Okay, I'm gonna take a pee-pee break. I will be back. Mic on. Camera on. Okay, we got 31 points of range. And dipping lower. I'm going to take a 7 lot here and see if we can continue. Yeah, my price is bad. My price is bad and we stalled out. $46, it's 53 I'll add. Maybe I'll just get out. That was a bad entry, regardless. Where's my copier? Did I close it? Yes, I did. Nah, it's just going. Fuck it. If it turns white on me, I'll get out, but of course. Just watching my top step charts. When I get a 2-bar. Well, this kind of volatility, I'm going to trade aggressively on my evals. I'm not going to trade copy anymore. MFFU. Oh, God. I should have known. I should have known. I copy traded to MFFU. MFFU never wins a trade. Wow, we're under 23,000, eh? $28 points of range on the 1-minute candles. We're dumping. Did I catch an entry over there? I think there was one, actually. Wow, wow, beautiful one right there. 939 at 23,010. Mm. $97. Really? $97? I just can't get a better price, eh? I'm playing both ways, guys. No good. Can't play both ways, not in this kind of strong dump. It's been a long time I haven't blown an account. Come on, you got to my bar there. Really? Well, okay. Okay, let's trade right. Only valid entries. Missed it, nothing to do. No FOMO. You're getting FOMO because of the volatility. You're getting all excited. If I can repair MFFU, it's not really a bad day. Well, I think market orders is the way to go, eh? Even though there's going to be slippage. Breaking below. Well, we had the retest, eh, of the opening range. That's 18, 28. That's Omnius' trade there. How low do we go? 949. Wow. Very impressive sell-off. 848. It's 1,000 points already. That's 5%, 2 days. Did I miss something? Let's see if we can get above the bands and get a pullback and a bounce. For now, everything is short. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. I guess that's what you get for $10 for a pair of balls. The box broke. My chocolate salty balls don't have a home anymore. Okay, here's where I find it the toughest. We're between the longer term bands and the shorter term bands on the Renko. On topstep, we're bearish. I guess I shouldn't take any bullish trades, right? Like right now, if there's a bounce, come on, close that bar and there'll be no bounce that I have to worry about. So close. There we go. Okay, don't even have to think about it. And in the meantime, I missed a short-term trade on topstep, which went to target. But in all likelihood, I wouldn't have gotten a better price anyway. So, well, we get a bit of a bounce here, though. The best trades are to the downside, guys. Come on, sellers. If you make a mistake shorting, you're most likely to get bailed out by this weak market. If you make a mistake buying, you're most likely to get skinned alive. That's the difference. You can still get skinned alive making a mistake to the short side, but I talked about probabilities, likelihoods. The likelihood is that you'll get saved if you're short and you make a mistake. $10 o'clock bounce. Take out 920, that swing high over there. No. Looks like. So the question is, now that I think we're bouncing, do I take the short on topstep if I see it? I say no. I say it may be another loss. I've seen this pattern. I was talking to Omnis about it. It's the 1-1 pattern, the zigzag, the Zeds, like a lightning bolt when it reverses, and he gives me 2 losses every time. Well, not every time. Often. Are you muted? You got me. I hope that made your day. I hope you're laughing. Yeah, no, I'm not going to take the short. Even though it could make money, I want to, or it'd be a profitable trade, I want that pattern to flush out before I'll take another short. I don't know if you heard, my box for my chocolate salty balls broke. Look how sad this is. Hold on. Oh, now it fell off. now it even got worse. There we go. The top step trade made money. Good. It's okay. I'm good missing it. Okay, I made MFFU green. That was a good trade. I liked it. Top step is going to go short. Maybe I'll take one more trade in MFFU. Oh, I need my clicker. I got it. Short at 83. 84. I got 1 point better. I'll add at 90. Okay, MFFU up 106. Too quick to click the POW. Where's my okay, coin flip, 2-lot top step, copy trading, the bands. This one can go. It's not a trade. And the copy trading, remove. Way too many ATMs. 3 is enough. Let's take the top step trades. The bands are about the same. I can make adjustments if we get a band trade. Whoa, what just happened there? Zigzag, 10 o'clock. News, obviously. Thanks for telling me. Thanks for telling me, Water Park boy. Look at that zigzag on the Renko. Is that crazy? That's them increasing the spread and buying the bids and selling the offers for that 1 second. All those orders they take in. I have nowhere to put my phone now. I used to lay my phone down on the top of the box of the Chinese balls. Well, they can't even make a box that lasts, these guys. Tempted to jump in, but I recovered on the MFFU account. I recovered on that Apex. You know what? Let me try and recover on the other Apex also. I'm green on Bullinox. It's only my shitty 2 stupid PAs that I tied to my MFFU account in the beginning that went down. But I'm not touching them anymore. That's it. I want to hear some cash registers ringing. It's just a 2-lot. Let's go. Come on. Oh, so close. There we go. That's the sound I like to hear. Oh, stop me out, really? Making it louder. That's the happy sound. That's what we're calling it. Why was it so quiet? That was weird. Okay, might get a bounce here. Oh, missed a long trade by like 1 point. By 1 point, both in Top Step and in Ninja Trader. Well, I guess not bad. Look at that dump. It's kind of short. It's kind of short. It's kind of long. It looks like it wants to do both. I don't even know what account I'm trading here, but I'm going to close it if it turns blue. Good enough. Anybody know what account I'm trading? Top one. You know what I can do? I can take a 1 lot and let it roll. Let it ride. Here, if you guys want to watch it, it's over here. You know, let this one ride. Maybe we'll get lucky. It has a pretty tight stop. Think about 10 points. 52, 62. Yeah, there we go. So what did I lose? 10 points. I lost $20. Let's see what I can make back over here. There we go. And there's my $20. So I did even better just by reversing. You keep me rolling. Oh, I still got user 421. Anybody know what user 421 is? Maybe I won't trade it today. Whew. Maybe I'll be glad to escape with my skin intact. Let's see if we get a bounce. I'll buy. We have one more bar. Otherwise, it's short. That's short. The probability of it bouncing here is low. There we go. Took a little piece out, not a lot. Now I got a shitty price. Bad entry. Got to get out. My fault. See, that's what happens when you add. Gave me bad entry. There we go. A little bit better price. Nothing spectacular, but chipping away. Okay, this is a trade. Let's get my ATM up for the 2 lot. Woo! And it's out. Let's hear the cash register. Yes. Very good, very good. I love the cash register. That was another losing trade, but my account went the right direction. Let's try this one. Come on, cash register. Beautiful. Yeah, baby. Two good trades back to back. Whoa! 35-point range, 1 minute candles. 10 o'clock reversal right at 10 o'clock. If we started at 9:50, we had that one, we had that one, and we had that one. All of them kind of worked out for the 10 o'clock reversal. Okay, now we're waiting for, well, you know what? I'm going to assume we don't go down 4 bars. There we go. If we would have went down 4 bars, which would have been 5 points, I would have gotten out. Take it. Not a big win, but a win. Now this push over here didn't have much continuation, so now it is possible we're going to go down by more than 4 bars. So let me open it up a little bit. You guys should see it bigger. I don't really need much to see here. You're just trading the price action really quickly. Okay, it went down 3 bars. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a bounce off the bands now. On the 1 minute, we got to close above the most recent swing high right there. Oh yeah, it's true. I was setting up a chart. I forgot. I got distracted with I'm putting up a 15-second chart. 1 day of data. Prior high day low close. We're going to keep the opening range. And we're going to move everything else. Oh, I clicked too fast. Cancel. Let's try it again. Keep the first 2. Oh, I should keep few up also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, perfect. Anything I need to add? Nope. Data should be less than 1 day or 1 day max. Days to load. I want days to load 0. Can I do 0? Apply. That's just 1 day. That's today. That's all the data I need. And strategies. I coded something. Some turtle soup type of thing. Apply. Okay. Let's see if it even works. I'm in debugging mode. My arrows are wrong. Strategy builder. There's always mistakes. It's crazy. Where are my arrows? Remove. Remove. We want it to go back 1 bar. Set. High. 1. Okay. Okay. Edit. Set. Oh, while I was doing that, look at that. Looky, looky, I missed the bounce off the bands, eh? Well, what do you know? Although there is a trade that I can take. Very tight stop on this. It's at 04. I'm not going to move it now. I'm watching it on the other screen here. I'll hit sell ask if I have to. Very good. We'll take it. Oh, yeah, let's see if I fixed it. Looks good. No. This one's right. This one's wrong. This one's major wrong. How can you even be over there? That's 0. I said 1. Okay, let's go back to the drawing board. New strategy builder. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Now, am I going to get it right? Nice moves, though, today. Shit. That's my last try. I don't feel like playing with it more. Boom, boom. You didn't get changed to 1. Okay, I'll make one more change. I'll go check it again. On bar close, right? On bar close. Next, 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 next. Back. One. Even gonna remove it and put it new. Add. Drawing. Arrow. Up. Bars ago. One. Okay, let me see if I corrected one. Let me see if it's correct. If it's correct, I'll do the other one. Dee-doo. Oh, wait. Remove. Nope, it's not correct. That's weird. Oh, I'm an idiot. I found the error. That's the same thing that drove me nuts yesterday. Oh, got a band bounce, a butter band bounce. But looks like it's losing money. I think I found the error. I am so confident that I got it that I'm going to do the other one also without even checking. Okay, let's see. Missed a couple of winning trades while I was doing that, but oh, he's working. Look at that. Perfect. All I wanted to do was just display which candle those dotted lines are at. Oh, we have a trade, 53. Ooh, beautiful entry. Stopped out. Excellent. I lost not a lot. I love the entries that cost you nothing. I don't even know what I was at. Does anybody remember? Was I over 100 or was I just at 50? If I lost 20 bucks on that, that would be nothing. Top step at 39, 39 bid. Okay, so I'm gonna get away from the 15-second because it's very distracting. Now that I know it works, top step is long at 39. I'm long at 35. Got my finger on the close button just in case. I don't know why the 1 minute is so compressed. 26 plus 44, I'll take it. 65. Is there crazy volatility? What's with the compression? Yeah, 810 to 950. Okay. Well, take profit trader is an end of day drawdown. I should take advantage of it and swing. Let's try a band bounce. Excellent price. I'll add. We get another bullish bar. Maybe not. No. There we go. Come on, one more. One more. There we go. Take a look at the 30-minute. What are we trying to do here? Trying to recover. Watch me fill the gap. Another 330 plus 40, 370 points. Initial balance. How far away were we? 5 minutes away. Watching for a band bounce. Bar turns blue. Didn't get a better price this time. That's enough. I guessed. A lot of winning trades today. All I had to do was listen to my rule not to trade in the first 3 minutes, and I wouldn't even have had those two red accounts. What a shame. Oh, we have a long on top step at 81. That means 88 is a 70% probability. I'll try and get in here at, shut up. I'll keep my finger on the close button. 77.67 is the stop. Let's go. Eesh, so close. Taking it. Taking it. Can I get back in at 75? That would have been interesting. Oh my God. 72 I tried for. Close it. You know what? Let me make sure my trade copier is closed. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh, we're still trying. Slowly climbing, slowly climbing. Got to get overview up. Well, I'm telling you, there's a chance we go and we close that. Close that gap. I'm not sure if I should be trading anymore. Thinking about it. What a surprise, huh? Okay, I'm back. We got a bounce. Better price. I'm not sure what my stop would be, but I know it would be a full bar underneath. Let's get this here. It would be there at 96. There we go. Ah, stopped up. Okay, let's get back to trading. I did some stuff there, got a little work done. Get off the 30-minute chart. What could we be looking at here? On the 1-minute chart, we could be looking at just a small little retrace. I mean, this is very strong over here. How much are we going down? 890 down to 836, 60 points. This is 60, that's 40 points. 20. That's like 40, 45, maybe 50 points. So that could be the end of the bounce, or yeah, pullback, not the bounce. Sorry. That's a strong move higher, unless we're changing directions. I'm not going to form any biases. I'm just going to wait for trades. I'm going to get an entry at 95 if we get there. In the meantime, I can take a short off the bounce of the bands, maybe. Took a bunch of those. Price does look like it wants to go lower. 74 down to 61. I think 81 was a good ad. Did I say 74 down to 61? Long at 88. I have a bad price. $81. Okay, kind of saved myself there again. But the good news is I'm taking my stops, so that's why it's working out all the time. I have learned my lessons. The only lesson I haven't learned is I did a lot of FOMOing today. Well, this kind of volatility today is like it's perfect volatility, 23 points. It's the day to make the magic happen. How low can we go? 50 points? Can I get 50 points on this last piece? That was a pretty strong move up. Let's see what we get now. Continuation to the upside or to the downside? I don't know. I have it on both sides. I'm going to go for the upside. I hope I'm right. That was good. Got it right. Wait for the next trade. That was a bounce off the bands. Oof, it's tempting to swing a heavy bet. Omnius, the little girl says hello. 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 Tell her to tell me, tell your daughter to tell me not to swing a heavy bet. It's tempting. There's a lot of volatility today. How about a 4 lot? Let's go. Push higher. Push. I'll take it. 315. Oh, you don't see my accounts. It's the end of the day, right? What time is it? It's 10:46. Sorry, people. There you go. That's not all of them. There you go. That's what I would call a bittersweet victory. She said, you're a good trader. You know what to do. Thank you. I do know what to do. I forgot what the question was, though. Ah, swing with a heavy bet. Yeah. No, I think I should quit. I should quit. Like I said, bittersweet victory. My 2 PAs are down. Not a lot. 183 for the 25K and 336 for the 50K. My take profit is up 376. Fuck. Oops, sorry. I was on Luna's stream today in the morning. He has a giveaway. So 48 people. 5 thumbs up. 48 people in the giveaway. He spins a wheel with 48 names. I swear to God, I'm not making this up. Go watch his stream. It lands on Futures floor. I go, yo, it's for a take profit funded, straight to funded account. I go, yo, I'm here. I win the straight to funded. Yo, we are a winner. I'm all excited. We have a winner. He goes, you know what we're going to do? We're going to call out more names, and then we're going to have an emoji race. No, I just won. Don't change the rules after I won. Anyways, long story short, I didn't win the emoji race. Luna. Luna. I don't know. Maybe he said there was an emoji race, but I was on long time. And I never heard anything about an emoji race. It was fill out the form for your chance to win the draw. Okay, let's pick the winner. He spins the wheel. I'm going to go watch it again. Spins the wheel, it lands on me, and then he thinks, and he goes, you know what? It's like you can see him change his mind. You know what? We're going to have an emoji race. I'm going to spin and put more people in. 8 o'clock-ish, maybe? Let me go see if I can find it. Shit, it was a straight to funded account. Luna, he's still there. Let's see. At first, does he even have a... Wow, they advertise a lot.
No, I liked it. It was rejecting the mid.
He was wearing a different shirt.
To be taking less trades in August. And if it's just not doing something right, waiting. Always another setup. We never know what it's going to do. Like,
I don't see a clock on his thing.
yeah, whatever. It could bounce right now, and I could be bummed that I ended up missing the failed auction.
Yeah, there it is. UTC minus
right
4.
now. Meanwhile, the failed auction is setting up. We got this div down here. Whatever. This trade right here could be a really good trade.
I don't know what UTC I am.
Let it run, but... Oh, that's why my chart looks wrong, guys. This is a 15-minute. Oh my god. I was in M&Q, man, even though if this
I need to
off,
see about 9 o'clock on his.
but it's following kind of what I've been trying to
his
do,
chart.
lock it in. So we'll take 2 off right here. Trading more systematically. So right happened to you.
Well, there we go. I found it. I found it.
Corey. Or I mean, Kale. Okay, so we got futures floor. This is for you have good what's it called? What's the word? OPSEC. You have OPSEC. In this race, I'm gonna hide you guys from seeing me cone.
Let's see what he says.
Here, and instead, we're gonna do this giveaway. Just
we're gonna do the
like
giveaway.
You didn't see anything there? I'm not losing $27 right now. Okay. So we're gonna lose this $27 trade right.
On his clock, on his chart on the bottom, it says 7:42:24. On his time on the bottom right, it says 7.
Here, and instead we're gonna do this giveaway. Just pretend like.
Did I say 7:22? I think I made a mistake.
Right now. Hide you guys from seeing me
Yeah, 7:42. 7:42 a.m. So he's 1 hour behind. Not 1 hour ahead. I don't think it was 6:42. I don't think I was down at 6:42 in the morning. I mean, I was down at 6:42 in the morning, but I don't think I was streaming yet. Oh, no, that's true. I wasn't streaming when I was on. I don't remember. Too many details. Whew. Anyways, I found it, 7:42. Okay, you should have said, do I still win? No, I didn't win. He decided to, let's see again. I'm going to watch it. Hey, what's going on? Oh, pressing the
This
wrong.
is $27 trade
Oh, can you hear him?
right here. And
Hold on. Hello, is the mic on? I think the mic is on. There we go.
instead, we're gonna do this.
You know, like someone said, hey, am I too late? And it's like, oh, okay, let's redo it, even though I just picked the winner. We're all working hard here. Should I quit? It's 11 o'clock. 315, 494, 106, 376, and on Bullinox, 53, 46, 45, 45, and 44. Of course, then you have the two reds on my PAs, but I think it's quitting time. It's not as much fun doing it alone. It's 11 o'clock. I don't know. July heat wave, nobody's here. I'll go spend time with my wife, sit outside. Maybe we bought a new barbecue, put it together, and have hot dogs for supper. That would motivate me. Okay, I'm closing up. Omnius, thanks for showing up. Let's close everything up. I don't even know if I traded. Now you got to go trade my accounts. Only if they're Bullinox. I got to find out about that 5-day rule. I swear to God. I only traded one of my master accounts. I have no idea which ones I traded this week. I hope I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I got to keep a schedule. Really? Fuck. You got to do fucking scheduling for this nonsense. Okay, take care. Have a good weekend, and I will talk to you guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you maybe Sunday night at 7, or I'll be streaming 9:15 or earlier. I'll be streaming 9:15 or earlier on Monday. Take care. Have a good weekend. I'm going to say hi to your family, and talk to you guys later. Bye.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow, clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill bro, let that setup bake, waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. Hear my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.